First, I will tell you about the infertility cases. Day by day, infertility cases are increasing very rapidly, and there are a lot of contributory factors for that. The sperm quality is deteriorating generation by generation, and because of the lifestyle problem, the female egg problems are also started suffering. So in an overall, the 15% of the Indian population, they suffer from infertility by one or another way. Broadly speaking, 40% of the cases are because of the sperm problem, and 40% of the cases are because of the female problem. And then there is a overlapping. 20% of the cases are because of the male as well as the female. Both are contributing to the infertility. Male infertility, the sperm problem, there is no effective treatment available to date. A lot of adjuvants and everything has been tried, but with limited success. So ultimately, this 40% of the cases, majority of the cases, they do require assisted reproductive techniques help, which one should avail quickly. Now coming to the female infertility problems, the major problem comes with the egg quality, and that is because of the late marriage, because of the career or career conscious woman, because they want to defer the childbirth till certain age, but they probably do not know what is the effect of age on egg quality. Egg quality starts suffering because of the age. After 30 years of the age, egg quality starts suffering, and after 34 years, up to 37 years, it rapidly quality deteriorates, and after 37 years, there is a sharp decline, and after 40 years, it is almost difficult or impossible to conceive with woman's her own eggs. So, women should be very much conscious about taking the infertility treatment. Earlier, it was believed that after 1 year of the unprotected intercourse, if the couple is not able to conceive, they should seek infertility specialist help. But now, because of the late marriage and deteriorating sperm quality and deteriorating egg quality, if the wife has crossed 33-34 years, even after 6 months of the unprotected intercourse, if couple is not able to conceive, they should immediately consult infertility specialist. Thank you.